Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Blog. In most of the videos, what you would have seen is little bit unboxing or little bit over any type of video. You will be seeing some kind of shots like over the top shots. For example, I'll show you like shots which are taken like this, showing a camera or a mobile unboxing shots. So let me show you how this is done. In this video, I'll be showing you what is required for doing that. And you don't have to spend much for that. Even by using a webcam, you can do this type of videos. You don't even have to have a DSLR. Uh, so let's start with that. Hi, all. As I told you, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and fix a overhead shot just by using few things, and it's not at all expensive. So the first thing we are going to look at is the simplest thing. Like I'm going to use a boom arm stand which comes with a thicker adapter. I mean a thicker screw on it. So I'm just using a normal steel converter. If you can see this 3 by 4 and this side is 1 by 4. This is the normal thing I'm going to use. The second thing I'm going to use is my fingers webcam connected to a ball head, which will be in turn connected to a steel adapter so that I get the movement. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use that. It's as simple as that. These are the only things I'm going to use. In case you have a thicker stand or anything, you can always go ahead and use a clamp like this, a C clamp, which is thick enough to hold this much distance, and you can use that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to connect it to the thick stand. I mean to the thicker screw, and how I'm going to set up the overhead shot. And I'll also show you an example of the overhead shot once I connect it. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the boom arm I'm talking about. I have done an unboxing video of it, and I'm not using this boom arm for anything at all because it was not viable for me. I'm using a normal arm stand over here which I can easily access. So what are we going to do with this boom stand? It was lying waste in my home. So in that case, all I did was, as I showed you the screw, I bought that. I got a webcam, a normal fingers webcam. I have done an unboxing video for that. If you do have time, check that out. It's one of the best wide angle webcams with a good quality also. And I have got this ball head attached to the webcam and the steel adapter which I showed you. Sorry, it's the iron adapter, that is, which connects over here, as is a thicker version, that's 3 by 4 to 1 by 4. So you can use it with any of the extra stands in your home like this. Yeah, it doesn't have to be just a boom arm stand. And if you have a thicker stand, you can always go for this, because the advantage in this is you can just go ahead and make a movement like this. But I will show you a trick of how to do that in this. For that only I've got this ball head also. And this one costs only 100 bucks, the metal thing over here. It charges only 100 bucks for 5 pieces. So it's just an adapter, so 5 pieces. And this one for 100 rupees I got this. So it's about just 200 rupees. I totally paid, and I have 5 of these of that. So in case I even break it or anything happens, it gets rusted, I have one more also spare to go ahead and use. And whichever camera you're using, be careful of the weight which your stand can handle. Accordingly, balance the weight in that. So I'm just fixing this slowly so that there's no problem occurring while I'm fixing this over here. So as you see, it's not such a big deal to just fix it off. Even anyone can go ahead. You don't have to be technical savvy or anything to do this work. It's very simple. Once it's been fixed, the camera, you do have the ball head to adjust it to your authority also, how you want it to go. And if you see this wire, this is connected to my computer. I'm just going ahead and connecting it over here. And for this wire, I will just keep it here. 1 second. First, I will adjust this to know the length of the wire I need to keep. So I have adjusted that. Now I will take the excess wire over here so that it doesn't drop over here. And I'll use one of these. This is there in each and every household. Even if you buy a bread packet, it would be there. Or any of the electronic wires you have got till now, you will be having this and that. So let me just tighten this so that the wire is in place. So it's as simple as this. One stand, one this. And as I showed you in the beginning, you will be getting a shot down. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see the sample shot of this, how good it has come out. Okay, now let's go back to that scene. Okay guys, I do know you're excited to go ahead and see the overhead shot also after what I showed you fixing over here. But if you have come so far and if you like the video, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for the channel. It supports the channel a lot. So let's turn to the overhead shot which I have just made for you, and I showed you how to do that. For that, I'll just be shifting my cameras to my second camera. So now you can see the second camera is the overhead shot over here, and you can see the C-clamp lying over here and this one which I showed you. And in case you're doing any unboxing or anything, you can see how far the quality of this cam is. So it is fair enough, which can be changed in the color correction or anything you want. And you can see in case you have any unboxing or any other video, you can go ahead and do it like this. So let me know your thoughts about that. So it's not only about overhead shots for unboxing or anything. In case you're painting or anything, you can go ahead, or you're an artist, you're cooking or anything, you can use this technique to go ahead and do that. You can use a better camera also, like a DSLR or any other camera which you are prompt to use. And not only that, you can also use your phone with the same ball head hanging towards the down. If you have the phone adapter for a tripod, you can even do that. It's simple as that. So this is useful in many ways, and you can choose your camera which you want to go ahead and use for your type of quality you require. And I thank you with wholeheartedness that you have gone ahead and liked the video and subscribe for that. And it's only because of your love I'm making such videos. And if you do need a video on anything else, please go ahead and leave your comments below so that I can do that for you. Thank you for watching Kamal Tech Vlog. This is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.